Hi and welcome to another tutorial from Florida PC Nerds. On this video I will show you how to add more RAM to your computer. First, you need to determine what kind of memory your computer needs, how much you really need, and if the specifications and configuration matches your specific computer. How do you know this? You can always go to the website of the manufacturer of the computer and search for the specifications on your computer based on the model number, which can be found usually on the front or on the back of your tower. Once you have everything, once you bought the memory and you're sure that's the one that it needs, shut down the computer if it is on and disconnect monitor, keyboard, mouse, modems, anything that you have connected to the computer including the power. Okay? Open the cover, remove the cover, and ground yourself to the computer with either an anti-static wristband, which is something like this, as you can see here, or you can also ground yourself to the chassis of the computer. There it goes. You can also touch it like this with one hand and work inside the computer. Once you're ready to place the memory on the motherboard, remove the memory from the package and grab it by the ends like this. Grab it by the end like this, not like this, not like this, not like this, not like this, like this, on the sides without touching the chips or the pins. Okay, so grab it like this and we place it upside like this, push it down gently, until you hear the retaining clips lock. There goes one, there goes the other one. Okay, slightly pull it up, make sure that it's locked, and you're all set. Just go ahead and place the cover back, connect everything back to the computer, and enjoy. Good luck, until next time.